So, what is MMC? Migrating Motor Complex. So, migrating motor complex is a distinct cyclic pattern of electrical and motor activity occurring in the GI tract, primarily stomach and small intestine, during the interdigestive state. That means when you are fasting or when you are between meals, this happens. It repeats roughly every 90 to 120 minutes until food is ingested. So, what is the biological purpose of it? So, this acts like the housekeeper of the gut. It acts as a mechanical broom that sweeps residual indigestible debris and mucosal cells, secretions, and bacteria out of the stomach and small intestine into the large intestine, and prevents small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. By constantly clearing out the stagnant fluid and bacteria during fasting, it prevents small intestinal bacterial overgrowth and retrograde migration of colonic bacteria into the ileum. So there are three phases of this. So the phases are phase 1, that is complete rest. There's no motor activity or contractions. So this accounts for 45% to 60% of the total cycle. While phase 2 is irregular, random and weak activity. So this is moderate, irregular and non-propulsive contractions. So this promotes fluid mixing and this accounts for 20 to 30% of the cycle. And phase 3 is the active one that causes intense peristalsis. So this is a short burst of 5 to 10 minutes of powerful regular propulsive contraction. Pyloric splinter opens wide to clear the large debris. So regulation and control are done by hormonal control motility. So the initiation of phase 3 is primarily triggered by motility, a peptide hormone secreted by most cells in mucosa of the duodenum and jejunum during fasting. Remember, mucosa of duodenum and jejunum during fasting. Neural control is modulated by enteric nervous system, specifically the mandric or Auberge plexus. An effective feed, ingestion of food immediately stops the MMC cycle. The gut instantly shifts from MMC pattern back to the fed state motility. That means segmentation for mixing and peristalsis for digestion and absorption. So this happens only during fasting and due to the hormone motility, and main function is to clear debris and prevent small intestinal microbial overgrowth. And also phase 3 is the one that causes intense clearing wave where the pylorus opens wide.